Good morning, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment at the end of the video. Today, I will take you from Sydney Domestic Airport to Sydney Domestic Railway Station, which is attached to the airport. Just follow the arrow marks showing trains, and it will lead you to the railway station. As you enter the railway station, you need to buy a Opal travel card, which is available at the Opal counter. There are Opal vending machines too, situated at the entrance of the railway station. The Opal travel card can be used in all public transports in Sydney, that is, the bus, ferries, and trains. You can top up your Opal card by downloading their app. Hope you found this information helpful. Thanks for watching my channel, and I'll be back with you shortly with more videos. Take care and stay safe.